So here I am with the super lawyer, William Ferro. Welcome.
Thank you.
So you have been named 5 times a super lawyer in the New York State. What does it mean to be a super lawyer?
Well, what it means is that your peers and judges have nominated you every year to be considered one of the top 5% of lawyers in all of the states. So it's a really nice honor and something we're really proud of.
What is the main role of your firm with the Latino community?
So we had a great number of Latino clients. Now it's about 75% of our client base is Latino. So we figured out that because clients are so loyal, the Latino community is so hardworking and such loyal people that we wanted to figure out a way to give back. And so, we give back in a lot of charitable and philanthropic ways that tie us into that community, whether it's with politicians or not-for-profits or just people on the street. We're just kind of everywhere people are, we try to be.
I would like to know how you start your business. How you start with the community Latino?
So I've been a lawyer now for about 30 years. I started my own law firm in 1989. And about 10 years ago, we got involved with another brand that we leased, and it presented us the opportunity to represent a lot of Latinos. So 5 years ago, we launched Liga De Justicia, which is different than any other brand out there because, it's basically telling the Latino community, Central American community, that we're here to help you, to teach you about the law, to educate you. And that's how it started, and now it keeps building.
And how expensive can it be for a person to come to your firm?
It's not expensive at all. In a personal injury case, we lay out all the money, all right? So if it costs $50,000 to bring the case, we lay out all that money. We get it back at the end, and then we get a percentage that the law says we're entitled to. So it's really no more or no less than anybody else. I just think that because we care about our clients a little bit more, we tend to be able to get them more money.
Yeah. So can you tell us about your philanthropic efforts? Sure.
So about 10 years ago, I met a gentleman. His name is Reverend Alan Ramirez, and he's sort of my hero. He was a reverend in a very affluent church, but he did a lot of work for the immigrant community. And I reached out to him and asked him how I could get involved. And the first thing he said was, we can do some things with day laborers in Long Island. And before we knew it, in 2 years, we had given out 5,000 free flu vaccines.
Oh, wow.
To day laborers. And what that does is it protects everybody. It keeps people healthy. It keeps people out of the hospital so that people aren't paying for somebody who doesn't have insurance. So we got to do that, and now we turn our office into a toy store every year, which is amazing for this year.
It's like Disney.
600, like Disney, like Toy Story.
Yeah.
600 kids.
I want to work with you.
Okay, deal. 600 kids, they get 4 toys per kid, otherwise they might not even have Christmas. So, we get to do that, and we gave away 250 full Thanksgiving dinners for people, delivered it to their homes for Thanksgiving, and pretty much anywhere people reach out where we can help, we try to. I actually, I'll be honest, and I find it to be a form of advertising. People know that we do it, and so if I can help people, and it can in turn somehow help me, then everybody's winning. So in 2018, my hope is to expand Liga de Justicia. Outside of New York, my target markets would probably be Miami, Florida, maybe Los Angeles, maybe Texas. I mean, there's listen, the Latino population is the fastest growing population in the country.
What do you tell to all these people that wants to come here and want to live the American dream?
Well, again, it's going to be harder for people to come here.
Yeah.
I'm most concerned right now with the people who are here. Let's help the people who are here first. Let's get a control of all of that. And then once we do that, we have control, then we can open the borders and let people in and have a process. It's not about building walls, it's about developing a process that gives people the opportunity to live here. I just think people should know that there's people out there like our firm, people out there like your magazine that care about people. There's more people that care than don't care. It's just the people that don't care are sometimes a little bit louder.
Yeah, that's true. Well, thank you so much. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you for having me.